Alright, greeting folks. So in this video I'm going to unboxing new M10 GPS from Flyu. It's called Goku, and there is GPS itself. So this is GPS antenna will facing the sky, and underneath there is connector and soldering pad, which will allow you if you want to direct soldering to the pad. And another thing inside, there is a cable which will connect it to your flight controller, and there is also Cooper shield, so this will shield your GPS cable and it will avoid interference from your ESC or your flight controllers. That's all.